Hi friends, welcome to Victory IAS. In last session we have discussed types of rice. In that Pusa 2090 type of rice and also Johar rice and red rice we have discussed. So in this video we will discuss Basmati rice controversy. What happened with Basmati rice? So before going into the main issue, we will let know what is the basic things about Basmati rice happening in India. So Basmati rice is having unique fragrance due to 2-acetyl phenylalanine present in it. Okay. So India is largest producer of Basmati rice of about 70% of global production. Actually, GI tag has been awarded to Basmati rice in 2017. Those produced in Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttarakhand. These states Basmati rice got GI tag. So this 2-acetyl is an aroma compound and flavor that gives freshly baked bread, jasmine rice and basmati rice, spine pandan and bread flowers their customary smell. Means bread related like fresh bread baked or jasmine like that good smell will come out of basmati rice. Suppose if you eat basmati rice biryani, you feel very elegant, very eating like very rich and hygienic food. So that is the specialty of basmati. So what are the unique qualities with basmati rice? Means basmati rice is a premium variety of rice cultivated in Himalayan foothills of Indian subcontinent and is known for long grain size, fluffy structure and unique inherent aroma and flavor. Okay, basmati rice belongs to Himalaya foothills originally. They are having a long grain. You might observe the grain is very big compared to normal rice, and fluffy structure means flour like food will come, and unique inherent aroma. Already I told you fresh baked bread like aroma will come out of basmati rice. And flavor, the agroclimatic conditions of specific geographical areas where basmati rice is grown, as well as the special features of basmati are due to the agroclimatic conditions of growing the basmati and method of harvesting, processing, aging of the rice. If the rice are freshly cropped, then they may not give a good taste compared to old rice. So the aging of the rice also important for taste. So contribute to uniqueness of basmati rice. So the growing conditions, methods of harvesting, processing, all these contribute to the uniqueness of basmati rice in India. So due to its unique quality attributes, basmati is widely consumed variety of rice both domestically and globally, and India accounts for two-thirds of global supply. So due to its unique quality, not only India, all over the world basmati is in use. And India is exporting basmati rice. Means total after two-third of the Indian production. Means uh, two-third of the total production, 60% of total production is exporting to other countries. So this is giving good foreign exchange also for India. So there are 5 new varieties of seeds of basmati rice developed by group of Indian scientists are said to bring revolutionary changes in way basmati rice cultivated in the country. There are 5 special varieties of basmati rice exist in India. These varieties revolutionize the way the basmati rice are being produced in India. So three of these varieties so three of these 5 varieties can resist to common diseases of paddy, one bacterial and one fungal. Whatever the common diseases that exist in basmati rice, that 3 varieties can resist. And other 2 varieties can save 35% of water as a method of direct sowing of rice can be used to raise them. So 3 are pest resistant means common paddy diseases can't do anything to them, and 2 are drought resistant means they can save up to 35% of the water. So these 2 seeds are resistant to herbicides too, and even usage of herbicides also resistant towards them, helping farmers control weeds more efficiently. So to control weeds, the farmers inject herbicides to the plant, but some plants can't resist to the herbicide also, they will die after some time. But these basmati 5 varieties are resistant to herbicides also. That is a specialty of basmati rice. produced in India, there are majorly 5 varieties. So where are the major rice basmati rice production happens in India? That is Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi. Total North India only you have to remember. Okay, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, these are B-bit in central India, Ganga plains. All these are almost North India only, full North India. So you have to remember like 5 North Indian states and 2 Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. 2 other states are producing basmati rice in India, and they have earmarked with a geographical indication tag also, GA tag also given to these states for basmati production. In this picture, you can see clearly what are the temperature conditions needed for to produce rice. 22 to 32 degrees C means it should not be very hot temperature, or it should not be cold climate. Humid, normal temperate climate is needed to grow rice. Okay, and high humidity is needed. Humidity like Chennai, you might go Chennai side or Kerala side. You face lot of humidity, so rice also require lot of humidity to grow. So but don't know in North India how the humidity is going to be provided to the rice. And rainfall around 150 to 300 centimeters means high rainfall is needed for growth of rice. And soil tough, deep clay or loamy soil. Clay loamy soil, you might know, you might studied in geography also. It is very slippery. In hilly areas, if it rains na, there will be lot of slippery thing will happen, but in normal roads also clay soil will be very slippery. Okay, so top rice producing states, normal rice, not basmati rice, rice producing states in India are West Bengal, Punjab, UP, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar. Okay, Andhra Pradesh is very famous for rice, and West Bengal side also people eat rice. Bihar, even though UP, Punjab, they eat roti only a lot, but they produce rice. So, as Aman Boro, in states like Assam, West Bengal, Odisha, 3 crops of paddy are grown. So, every year 3 types of paddy also grown along with rice in some states. So, what are the major rice producing countries in the world? They are Pakistan, China, Vietnam, Philippines, all Asia countries only. Apart from Brazil, you have to remember East Asia and Asia. Pakistan, China, Vietnam, Philippines, India, Bangladesh. India's neighbors you have to remember. Means India, Pakistan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand. So apart from India neighbors, only 4 countries: Vietnam, Philippines, Thailand, and Indonesia. Okay, and Brazil, an extra country where rice produced in the world. So by now you might understand the basic things on basmati rice. Now we will move to the next thing. What is the controversy happened on basmati rice? So what the government decided, the government will disallow blending of more than 15% of non-basmati rice with basmati rice for the product that is sold as blended basmati rice. Okay, so government will not allow blending of more than 15% non-basmati rice with basmati rice. Means suppose 1 kg basmati rice are taken, 150 grams are of normal rice are taken, they are blended together, it is okay. But more than 15% is not allowed. Mixage, lot of mixing in basmati rice means that violates the virginality of basmati rice. That's why government do not allow now onwards more than 15% of non-basmati rice have being mixed in basmati rice. So what is the reason behind this? Government intends to ensure that the purity of Indian basmati rice does not dilute due to excessive blending. So if they mix a lot of normal rice in basmati rice, what happen? Basmati rice uniqueness will go off. Its good smell, aroma will go off, and people will remember with grain length also. People will recognize it is not basmati rice. That will be an issue. So rice blended with more than 15% non-basmati rice will be called blended rice instead of blended basmati rice. In that case, they will become just normal blended rice, not blended basmati rice. So the new authenticity rules aim to remove substandard variety from the market. That's why they want to remove uh, second quality rice from the market. This is substandard variety, means in book language it is written very neatly, but this means duplicate or second quality rice must not given telling basmati rice. Okay, that's the thing they want to tell. So basic basmati rice issue we know. Basmati is a mouthfeel aroma, length of grain when cooked tasted, has market abroad and brings 30,000 crores in foreign exchange every year. Already I told you two-thirds of the total production happening in India, means 70% of the total production is being exported to other countries. So automatically foreign exchange will be more only. Whatever we are earning out of exporting basmati rice into India, that will be high value only. That is around 30,000 crores. So there is problem to this 30,000 crores figure now, because if the people are exporting fake, duplicate or second quality basmati rice all over world, what happened? The other countries stop exporting basmati rice from India. So automatically this 30,000 crore foreign exchange will go into danger. So that is the issue now. That is the basmati rice controversy now. While 75% of the export is to West Asian countries, European Union countries also import basmati rice. So what are the countries that are importing basmati rice from India? They are West Asian countries and also European countries. So however, West Asia has large consumption of basmati rice, because West Asian people make lot of biryani. So that's why they consume lot of basmati rice. That's why they import lot of basmati rice from India. So totally 75% of the produce we are exporting annually. However, recently export to EU countries faced certain hurdles due to increase in the pesticide residue levels in rice from India. So EU countries has noticed that there is lot of fertilizer residue present in the rice. If they are eating this rice continuously for more time, the people are having health problems because of the fertilizer residue left over on the rice. That's why they don't want to import basmati rice from India anymore. That's why what happening now? This is a problem to Indian pocket, because the foreign exchange is getting lost, declining. Whatever the foreign exchanging reserves coming out of basmati rice are declining, because the EU don't want to import basmati rice anymore from India. So India produces nearly three-quarters of world basmati rice. However, huge number of newly cultivated varieties lack unique popcorn-like fragrance, so that helps to make rice so sought after. So whatever the unique fragrance is there to basmati rice, like fresh baked bread aroma or popcorn aroma, that is not coming in later stages. So what happen, automatically people will get doubt they are not real basmati rice, they are fake basmati rice. So that is also an issue now. Whatever the uniqueness of basmati that is going, that is also an issue now. So EU-UK rice associations introduced new rules that will come into effect at the beginning of 2023 that aim to take lesser varieties of basmati off the market. Means they don't want to entertain low quality or fake basmati rice now onwards. Okay, means they don't import fake or low quality basmati rice now onwards. That are they decided. So then what happened? To make our foreign exchange reserves secure, India has to improve the quality of basmati rice producing in India. So that's why what India is taking measures now, we will see. So previously there was an issue with the export standards of basmati rice from India, leading to many EU countries putting restrictions on Indian basmati exports. Means some countries have restricted and some countries totally they write off substandard or low quality or fake basmati rice from the market. According to international rules, as per international rules and standards, India decided to improve the quality of basmati rice. Following this instruction, the FSSAI, Food Safety and Security Standard Authority of India, has introduced some regulatory standards for basmati rice. Okay, those are the standards. Let us see now. They have specified identity standards for basmati rice, including brown basmati, mildewed basmati, parboiled brown basmati, and mildewed parboiled basmati. Okay, for all four types of basmati rice, they have given some regulations so that they qualify as basmati rice. So, Food Safety and Standards First Amendment Regulation 2023 aimed at establishing fair practices in the trade of basmati rice and protecting consumer interest both domestically and globally. Means they have given regulation to protect the trade and at the same time to save the consumer interest also. Suppose a country is importing basmati rice from India, means they should not feel sad afterwards, because they don't feel it as a waste thing. That's why the FSSAI has given some regulations to save the quality of basmati rice exporting to other international countries. So since 2017, India Patent Office has given GI tag for basmati rice, thereby protecting exclusivity of long grain fragrant rice across the world. So since 2017, GI tag is given to basmati rice. Why GI tag is given? It will mention so and so product is particular to so and so geographical region, and also to if they set a GI tag, the product quality should be maintained till end. That is the aim of GI tag. But what is happening here? Despite they given GI tag to basmati rice, people are still adulterating the basmati rice with normal rice. They are making more than 15%. They are mixing more than 15% normal rice in basmati rice. They are making fake basmati rice and exporting to other countries. So what is happening? Automatically the GI tag value is going. So to save these things, they have given some regulations now. They have mentioned some qualities, means they are minimum standards required to be qualified as a basmati rice. Means in aroma, smell, and also grain length and width. Some measures have been given. So, to qualify as basmati, grains must meet certain standards related to things like fragrance. Okay, BADH2 gene will be there, that is relevant to this fragrance. Okay, and also one antacid acid also we discussed, that is also pertaining to this fragrance in uh, basmati rice, and also the grain length and cooked texture also. After cooking, how the rice will be, based on that also it will be decided it is basmati or not. Okay, they will have also mid-range level of amylose part of starch in the rice. They also have some amylose content found in the rice. So basmati rice must possess natural fragrance. Characteristics of basmati rice be free from artificial coloring. So they should not give coloring to the basmati rice to prove them as brown basmati rice. Okay, the color must be natural, and polishing agents must not be used, and artificial fragrance should not be used. If they add artificial fragrance, what happens once when cooking, once they clean the rice in water, what happen? Automatically the artificial fragrance will go off, and they will smell like normal rice only. The special popcorn smell will be there, fresh baked cake smell, jasmine smell out of basmati rice, that won't come. Then people will understand these are fake basmati rice. So these standards also specify various identity and quality parameters for basmati rice, such as average size of grains and their elongation ratio after cooking. Okay, after cooking, how the grains will appear? It will be watery, or it will be fluffy, or it will be dry. How it will appear? And maximum limits of moisture, amylose content, how much amylose is present in the rice, uric acid. These food inspection officers will check this amylo acid and uric acid content in the basmati rice. And defective damaged grains and incidental presence of non-basmati rice. And also how much basmati rice, non-basmati rice present mixed in basmati rice. More than 15% mixed or not. That is also they will check. Out of 1 kg basmati rice, more than 150 grams normal grains are present or not. That also the food safety inspectors will check out. Okay, and how to identify the adulteration here. So being a premium quality rice, fetching price higher than non-basmati varieties, basmati rice is prone to various types of adulteration for economic gains. So even to get more profit also, some people what they will do in 1 kg basmati rice, half kg normal rice they will mix. So that basmati rice rate is costly. Like it will cost around 200 rupees per kg. Normal rice are 60 rupees per kg. So if they mix half kg basmati rice with half kg normal rice, what happen? 100 rupees basmati rice they are adding, 60 rupees normal rice they are adding. So 160 rupees rice they are selling for 200 rupees. So per 1 kg they are getting 40 rupees profit. So 25 kgs bag if they sell out. So 1000 rupees profit they will get. So per quintal how much they will get? Per 100 kgs they will get 4k profit. So per quintal around it will be 4000 into 100. So like in lakhs they can earn. So if they do this adulteration for profit in lakhs they can earn. That's why many stakeholders, many shopkeepers do adulteration in basmati rice. So what is happening? The prestige of basmati rice is going and the foreign exchange reserves to the country are decreasing. So which may include among others uncleared blending of other non-basmati rice varieties. So, therefore, to ensure supply of standard genuine basmati rice in domestic and export markets, FSSAI has implemented regulatory standards. As per I told, regulatory standards, what are that? Fragrance, length, and width of grain are mentioned. Then only they can be considered as basmati rice, otherwise not. So, otherwise, in that case, they will be paid as normal rice only 60 rupees per kg. So which has been framed through extensive consultations which are with concerned government department agencies and other stakeholders. Okay. So this is all about basmati rice adulteration, friends. Hope you like the video. For many videos like this on our channel, please do like, share, subscribe. Next time we will meet with a new video. Thank you.